Hello guys, it's me Mario Plata, and today, I'm going to try the new Superman Blizzard from Dairy Queen. What do you think about the Superman Blizzard? Let me know in the comments below.
Thank you for coming to Dairy Queen. How may I take your order?
I will have the new Superman Cake Batter Cookie Dough Blizzard treat please.
That will be $9 for the Superman Blizzard. Come to the window. Okay, that will be $9.
Give me the Superman Blizzard for free or you will die.
Okay, I don't want to lose my job.
Okay, thank you so much man. Okay, I got the cheeseburger, fries, soft drink and sundae, and I also got the Superman Blizzard. Anyway, let's dig in. Yo, this tastes like the rotten ground beef from the abandoned house fridge. What the fuck is in this Blizzard? Now I'm sick as shit.
You bad, you horrible motherfucker. You think it's cool to rob somebody for the Superman Blizzard and then throw up, huh?
Hey.
You fucking ungrateful bastard. Yeah, get the fuck out of my town.